Hey, what's going on? It's Shivam. In this video, we are taking a look at the Xiaomi's Mi LED rechargeable lamp. So let's get into it. So apart from making smartphones and earphones, Xiaomi also comes up with some side projects from time to time, and this time around we have a LED lamp. So this is the new Mi rechargeable LED lamp. So first it was a crowdfunding project, but now it's available everywhere. You can check out all the links in the description if you want to buy one for yourself. But before we talk more about this, let's just quickly unbox this and see all the contents of it, and then we will talk about this lamp. So here is the shipping packet, and inside we have our Mi lamp. So let's quickly unbox and take out the retail box. Let's do this without any magic tricks this time. So inside the packet we have the retail box of the lamp, and here we can see how the lamp is supposed to look, and below this it also says Mi rechargeable LED lamp. It also lists some of the features like 3 color temperatures and up to 5 days of battery life. Moving on, we have some more features like plug and play, no strobe effect, portable and adjustable, and some more features that we just read before. Now some more details are given on the side of the box, which we will discuss later in this video. But for now, let's just take the lamp out of the box and see what it looks like. So first of all, we get a micro USB cable in the box, which is good that they have included this in the box already, and actually it is pretty long, so we can easily plug this to a far location from the socket. Other than that, we have the lamp itself with some user manuals, which we don't need, I guess. But here is the lamp itself, and man, this is one of the cutest looking lamp I've seen till now. On the bottom we have a micro USB port on the back to charge this device, and a button on the front to power on the lamp and change the color temperature. So basically we have these 3 color temperature which you can switch with the touch of this button. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and now let's move to the review of this Mi LED lamp. Although there is not much of things to talk about this lamp, as this is just a lamp. But anyways, first of all, let's talk about the design. So did I mention this is one of the cutest looking lamp that you will see in your life? It comes in this matte white color option with aluminium alloy and plastic materials. The height of the lamp is a little taller than 1 feet, and weight is 420 grams, so it's pretty lightweight. Although the weight is little less and sometimes you might feel that it will topple, but it is not a big issue if you keep the lamp away from the reach of your hands. But overall the lamp has a very minimal design, and it's very small in size. There are no cables dangling around the lamp. There is only just this little flat cable on the top to connect the stand and the lamp itself, and it's not very noticeable, by the way. Now, as mentioned earlier, there is a button on the bottom which you can use to turn on the lamp or turn off the lamp, and also changing the color temperature, which includes the 3 different color temperature, which is 2600 Kelvin, 3200 Kelvin and 4500 Kelvin. And if you don't understand the color temperature, I will slap an image of the color temperature on the screen, so it will be really easy for you to understand, and also makes my job really easier. Another thing we have on the bottom is the micro USB port on the back, which serve 2 purposes. One, you can use this to power up the lamp, and second is that you can use it to charge the rechargeable battery. Yes, my friend, it has a rechargeable inbuilt battery, so it means that you can easily use this without any cables. And speaking of the battery size, it has 2000 mAh capacity, and after a full charge it can give you up to 40 hours of battery backup at the minimum intensity, and if you use the lamp at full intensity it will come down to 5 hours. Also, a side note, 2600 Kelvin is the minimum intensity, and the highest one is the 4500 Kelvin, which is the maximum intensity. Now there is nothing much left to talk in this review except for the price. So this lamp was available first in the crowdfunding projects. Like Xiaomi keeps on coming up with the new projects. Like one of their project was a smart lamp, a RGB lamp, and now we have this LED lamp. But it was a successful project and I also participated in that, so that's how I got this lamp. But it is now available everywhere, and you can check out the links down below in the description to take a look at it. But for the price, it was available for 1299 rupees on the crowdfunding site. But now if you want to get it, you can get it at rupees 1599. So that's how much money you have to pay to get this lamp. But that was a quick video about the Mi rechargeable LED lamp. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.